Hi, my name is Dr. Stewart Zuckerbrod. I am a comprehensive ophthalmologist with Houston Eye Associates. I have, over my years of practice, been involved with many aspects of ophthalmology, including resident teaching, and I have helped literally hundreds of younger ophthalmologists learn the basics of ophthalmic surgery and other aspects of eye care. I cover all types of eye problems, from getting glasses for people to doing complex surgery on the eyes and eyelids. I have a few other unusual hobbies. I have been very involved with theater when I was younger as an actor, and have actually written a number of plays that have been produced both locally and in other parts of the country. One of my other hobbies is making jewelry, which I have done since I was in high school. If you have a floater, or if you know someone who's bothered by floaters, please send them in and let me take a look and see if we can help them.